This video is about frog pose. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to do frog pose, and we're going to hold it for quite a while. And it will help us open up our hips. It'll help you be able to get into splits, which is something that I've been working on. So it's a rather passive pose, but it's very powerful. You'll be feeling it. So stay with me, do it for as long as you can. We'll just start by coming onto the hands and knees and then just straddle the yoga mat. You want to have the shins, the lower legs, lined up with the yoga mat. Once you straddle your mat, you can come down onto your forearms and just allow your knees to slide open. Now, there is a trick to this. You actually need to release. You need to let yourself go. Maybe walk your feet out a little bit so they're a little more parallel with your knees. And frog pose doesn't always feel the best, so we're just going to hang out here. Maybe seeing if you can actively move your knees a little bit, but be kind to yourself. You don't want to pull anything. We are going to be on the hedonic point where it's the line between pleasure and pain. This one sometimes doesn't feel so wonderful to hold for a long time, but if you want to open up your hips, maybe go into splits, whatever your goals are, then this is something that you need to incorporate into your daily routine and hold for at least 5 minutes. Another thing that you can do is rock back and forth nice and gently. Instead of the frog, we'll be doing the horny toad now. Just stay with it. Maybe keep moving back and forth, or if you need a little bit of a break, just see if you can release into it. Really work to breathe into those muscles on your inner thighs, and on your exhale, see if you can relax that whole area of your body. See if you can relax and release your shoulders too. Double check your feet, make sure they're lined up with your knees. Just stay with your breath, working to lengthen through your spine. Draw the belly button in towards the spine, activating the core. And if you're able to, do some gentle rocking with your hips. Just stay with it. You've got this. I know it's a really intense pose. Work on releasing into it. Relax and release. If you don't resist, it actually allows your muscles to just let go. You'll be able to get better mobility. Maybe you could do your Instagram right now. do a little reading. I have begun journaling as I do this. It's kind of hard to stay on task, but it draws your mind away from it and enables you to do a more passive stretch while you are doing something a little bit productive. Keep drawing the belly button in and up. Try to keep the spine nice and lengthened, and then relax and release. Breathe into those muscles in your inner thighs. Do a little more rocking. See if maybe your knees just go open just slightly, just a little bit at a time helps. And keep the core active. Keep lengthening that spine. Rock a little bit. Do the horny toad. Keep drawing that belly button in and up. You got this. And then to come out of it, just bring your feet closer together. Straighten your arms. Gently bring your knees closer together. Maybe take child's pose for a moment. Give yourself a nice little rest. Just breathe, honor yourself where you're at. Bring yourself to a comfortable seated position. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you love this video. Please let me know if you're able to do frog pose for the whole time. And check me out on Instagram as well. And until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.